Border security along Texas highways has increased significantly, but smuggling routes are still active every day. It's not always hardened criminals.
I don't got no drugs.
Sometimes it's unlikely suspects taking a chance on fast cash.
They weren't going nowhere.
From where?
I'm trying to go to casino.
Y'all trying to...
But we were going to the store right here to get gas and something to drink.
Okay, sounds good. Let's step out.
Yeah. I'm sorry?
Where are you coming from?
I'm coming from Hillsboro, but I lived in Austin. That's my driver's license in Austin.
Okay. I see us as Austin.
Yeah.
Okay.
And we're trying to go to the Kickapoo Casino.
Okay.
And this is my friend. I haven't seen her in a long time. And I want to spend some time with her.
Okay. So you got anything illegal in the car?
No.
You got any guns? You got any weapons, drugs?
No.
Got any
No.
persons on you? People with you? We can search the vehicle?
Huh?
You
Okay, K-9.
A K-9? Okay. We'll do K-9, okay?
Okay.
So you say you don't have anybody?
No.
No? Okay. Go inside over there, fool. On this side, next to the trooper. Okay.
She appeared relaxed, insisted there was nothing illegal in the car, and didn't seem concerned about a K-9 search. But this was a bet that didn't pay off. Inside, two individuals were found hidden, one from Ecuador and the other from Guatemala. Both were detained by Border Patrol. Both the driver and her passenger were arrested and charged with smuggling of persons.
I don't got no drugs.
All right.
What am I? For what?
Smuggling of persons, all right?
Because I didn't.
Okay.
They weren't going nowhere.
Sometimes it's not just the crime that stands out, but the excuse. In this case,
They weren't going nowhere.
they weren't going nowhere. What do you think she meant? Let us know in the comments. If you found this smuggling case eye-opening, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more real-world incidents. To see how common trunk smuggling really is, check out our full compilation, linked here on screen.